As many of you know, Hailey is the wife of pop superstar Justin Bieber, but she's much more than just a famous spouse. Hailey has carved out a successful career as a model, actress, and television personality, captivating audiences with her stunning beauty, sharp wit, and inspiring work ethic. From her humble beginnings as a young model scouted by Ford models to her rise to fame in the fashion industry, Hailey has always been one to watch, and with her recent controversies, an outspoken advocate for mental health and women's rights, Hailey has proven to be a multifaceted and inspiring role model for people around the world. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our luxury lifestyle content. Whether it's travel, fashion, or lifestyle, we've got you covered with exclusive content that will make you feel like $1,000,000. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Hailey Bieber, her net worth, her career, her recent controversies. This is an episode you don't want to miss. Hailey Bieber is an American model, actress, and television personality. She first gained fame as a young model and has since gone on to work with some of the biggest names in fashion, including Tommy Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren, and Versace. Hailey has also appeared in various television shows and music videos, and she is known for her outspoken advocacy for mental health and women's rights. Hailey Baldwin, now Hailey Bieber, was born on November 22, 1996 in Tucson, Arizona. Her father is actor and producer Stephen Baldwin, and her mother is graphic designer Kenya Baldwin. Hailey grew up in a family of performers, with her father and uncle both having successful careers in Hollywood. Hailey has an older sister, Alea, who is also a model and television personality. Hailey Bieber has an impressive career in the fashion industry. She was first scouted by Ford models at the age of 16 and quickly rose to fame as a sought-after model. Hailey has walked in major fashion shows for designers like Tommy Hilfiger, Dolce & Gabbana, and Moschino, and she has also appeared in numerous fashion campaigns for brands such as Calvin Klein, Ralph Lauren, and Levi's. In addition to her modeling career, Hailey has also ventured into acting and television. She appeared in the television documentary Livin' It, Unusual Suspects, and has made appearances on popular shows like Drop the Mic and Saturday Night Live. Hailey has also appeared in several music videos, including Love to Love You Baby by Baptist Yabiconi and On My Mind by Georgia Smith. Now, let's take a quick break, Luxies. We want to invite you to show your support for our channel by leaving us a comment below, hitting that like button, and sharing this video with your friends. Your support means everything to us, and we appreciate your love and loyalty. As of 2023, Hailey Bieber's net worth is estimated to be around $25 million. This impressively large sum is due to her continued success in the fashion industry, as well as her various brand partnerships and investments. In addition, Hailey has also ventured into acting and television, which has added to her overall net worth. Since then, Hailey has continued to be successful in her career and has also launched her own skincare line called Rhode. The brand offers vegan, cruelty-free, and sustainable skincare products that are meant to be inclusive of all skin types. It's possible that Hailey's involvement in this business venture has contributed to her net worth, but the exact financial details are not publicly known. Hailey Bieber's stunning mansion is a true masterpiece of modern architecture and luxury living. Located in Beverly Hills, the 6,132 square foot home boasts 5 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, as well as a range of luxurious amenities. Inside the mansion is the epitome of contemporary style, with sleek lines, elegant finishes, and an open concept layout that seemingly blends indoor and outdoor living spaces. The home features a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a spacious dining area, and a comfortable living room with a cozy fireplace. Outside, the property is equally impressive, with a stunning infinity pool, lush landscaping, and multiple outdoor lounging areas. The home also features a state-of-the-art media room, a home gym, and a spa-like master suite, with a large walk-in closet and private balcony. As of 2023, Hailey Bieber's car collection continues to be the envy of luxury car enthusiasts around the world. With her impeccable taste and love for all things high-end, Hailey has continued to add to her already impressive collection, which is rumored to include some of the most sought-after vehicles on the market. Whether she's zooming down the freeway in a sleek Lamborghini or turning heads in a classic Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, Hailey's cars are a true reflection of her sophisticated style and love for luxury living. With their impressive speed, powerful engines, and stunning designs, these vehicles are more than just modes of transportation. They are works of art that perfectly complement Hailey's glamorous lifestyle. Aside from being a model, actress, and wife, Hailey is also passionate about mental health awareness. She's been open about her struggles with anxiety and depression and has encouraged others to seek help when they need it. Additionally, Hailey is a big animal lover and has been involved in several charities and organizations that focus on animal welfare. Hailey Bieber is very popular on social media sites like Instagram and Twitter, where she has millions of fans. She often shows fans snippets of her rich life, letting them see what it's like to live in her glamorous world. Hailey's social media accounts are a goldmine for fans who want to stay up to date on her life, featuring stunning photo shoots and candid moments with her spouse, Justin Bieber. Hailey Bieber and her husband, Justin Bieber, are known for how much they love to travel in style and see beautiful places around the world. The couple often takes tropical trips to places like the Maldives, Bora Bora, and Hawaii. There they stay in luxurious overwater villas or private beachfront homes and do things like snorkeling, scuba diving, and paddleboarding in the water. Hailey and Justin have also taken romantic trips to Europe's charming cities like Paris, Rome, and Venice, where they immerse themselves in the rich history and culture while living in luxurious hotels. With these trips, the couple can get away from their normal lives, learn about other countries, and make memories that will last a lifetime. Hailey Bieber's marriage to pop superstar Justin Bieber has certainly been the talk of the town, since they tied the knot in 2018. The couple first dated briefly in 2015 before reconnecting and getting engaged in July of that year. They surprised their fans by getting married in a private courthouse ceremony in New York City just a few months later. While Hailey Bieber's marriage to Justin Bieber has had its share of supporters, not everyone has been a fan of the couple's relationship. Some Selenadors and Jelena fans have been particularly vocal about their disapproval, expressing their disdain for Hailey and Justin's union on social media and in various online forums. Despite the negative feedback, Hailey and Justin have remained committed to each other and their relationship. While there may be some who believe that Justin is not happy, it's important to remember that the only people who truly know the ins and outs of their relationship are Hailey and Justin themselves. The couple continues to support each other through the highs and the lows of their lives, and their bond remains strong. And that's a wrap for today's video, Luxies. We hope you enjoyed learning more about Hailey Bieber and what makes her an inspiration to all. Her resilience and determination in the face of criticism and adversity are admirable qualities that we can all learn from. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more luxury lifestyle content, celebrity features, and motivation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.